Amasain si bay le vek ule. Hey, Thanksgiving chu chung kwa zong zong kanin mukhom veya rodate omnalama anuam kan tile maya tuna hianin Thanksgiving apoi
superhero
LEHKHABU
foods.
CHHIAR saklem kalo share ang cheu kan chung chu LEHKHABU CHHIAR nuam hi kan tia kan tu te hian tiklai pon LEHKHABU kan CHHIAR sakpe ni
Touch the superhero foods.
chutiang che chuan kan tu te hianin LEHKHABU kan CHHIAR sakhi nuaman ti thei em ani
Superhero foods. Okay, you guys
behind
do a lot
Papa,
about
right there,
foods.
behind Papa.
Apples are nutritious. Who likes apples?
I do.
Do you like apples too? Apples are nutritious.
Feel it.
Oh, feel the apple. I read and you listen to me as I'm reading, okay? Apples are nutritious. That means they're good to eat. They come in yellow, red, and green. And maybe sour and sometimes sweet.
And yellow. Oh, when you put it in
That's right. Some apples are yellow. Bananas are a superfood, a healthy snack indeed, with vitamins and other things that every child needs. Oh, what's that? Is that the banana? The banana? What do you think this is? Like banana hair?
No, no, it's hair. Oh, it's the pot. Like, you know that white stuff inside of the banana when you peel it open?
Oh, that's what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay. That's like what's inside the banana. Broccoli. Who likes broccoli?
Oh, I love broccoli.
You love broccoli?
I love broccoli.
Broccoli is the kind of plant that really looks like...
I love broccoli.
It looks like a tiny tree. Does that look like a tiny tree? It helps your heart and skin and bones and also fights disease.
Except that part. Okay, I was going to tell you.
Yes.
Fun fact.
Fun fact, yes.
Did you know that broccolis have more calories?
It has more calories? Really? I didn't know that. Peaches. Who likes peaches?
I love peaches. I love peaches.
Peaches are juicy fruit and sweet as cotton candy. Peaches taste like cotton candy? I didn't know that. They're good for making tummies work, which comes in very handy. I think this is a girl peach because she's got like eyelashes, right? I think she's a girl peach.
A girl peach.
And what's the last superfood? Because these are all superfoods.
Carrots.
Carrots! I love carrots. Carrots are vegetables that help you see in the night. Either way, it's all right. Thank you, carrots. Superfoods.
Carrots are all white.
The leprechaun looked up and waved, and the little bird's voice was saved. So I guess the leprechaun had some kind of powers to help the birdie. A gnome, do you know what a gnome is? They're like little elves too, but they're a little different. A gnome was fishing by the riverbank, but he dropped his rod and away it sank. So poor gnome, he lost his fishing rod in the water. But then the leprechaun appeared on a wooden boat and the fishing rod began to float like magic. I bet the gnome is all happy. And then what happened? A pixie, you know what a pixie is? It's a
I think I saw fuzz on you, but we haven't feel.
Okay, try it. Oh yeah, the fuzzy and the birdie. Try feel the fuzzy birdie. Okay, now let's go to the pixie. The pixie are little people who can fly. They have like butterfly wings. A pixie was making a daisy chain when suddenly it began to rain. The flowers all got soaking wet. The poor little pixie was very upset. Then the leprechaun came strolling by, and the sun came out, and everything was dry. Oh, feel the pixie wing now. It's all dry. Oh yeah, it's all dry now.
Okay, don't whip it.
Don't rip it. Next page. Then a dragon. Looks like a baby dragon. A dragon was having trouble. Hold on. I need to read it first. A dragon was having trouble getting to sleep. 1, 2, 3. He tried counting sheep, but he tossed and turned in his dark cave until the leprechaun came and gave him a wave. The dragon closed his eyes and he started to snore. He slept much better than ever before. So now he can, okay, so now touch the dragon. What is this, a dragon wing? Try the dragon wing. It's almost like metal. Dragon wing's like a metal. And what's last? Oh, it's the pot of gold, because the leprechauns always have a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, right? The leprechaun seemed to be a lucky charm. Hold on. Leprechaun seemed to be a lucky charm, so the new friends decided to visit his farm. They thanked him for being such a great friend, and he promised them luck would never end. Okay, you can feel the gold now.
But it's
Pot of
actually
gold.
like yellow stuffing going on.
Uh-huh.
Papa, Jackie, you can get my bait off.
So if you find a leprechaun, you know what you do, right? Because a leprechaun can give you any wish you want, like he did with all these other animals. So if you find a leprechaun, you find a stick, you hit him over the head and knock him out. And you put him in a cage and you bring him home to give you all kinds of free presents and food. Right? Say yay! Yay! Catch the leprechaun. Come on, all together. Catch the leprechaun. Yay! Hit the leprechaun on the head. Hit him! Yay!
Okay, hey guys, say thank you to Papa. Say thank you, Papa, for reading.
Papa, get my bait off. Here it is. Get my bait off.
Kan tunute berte pani phir antel ve theilawa anmut lai ni wangin engpon ni se khati zong kha tuna kalo share le thei chu chu an ni a kan channel te lo subscribe in lo like zel don ya. Thank you so much and God bless.